how to ensure a smooth transition when separating finances. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most important parts of the divorce process is separating your finances, and doing it the right way can save you a ton of stress and confusion. Here's how to make that transition as smooth as possible. The first step is to close or freeze joint accounts as soon as possible, especially checking, savings, and credit cards. This helps prevent unauthorized spending and protects both parties from future liability. Next, start setting up your own financial accounts. That means opening new checking and savings accounts in your name only, updating direct deposits, and rerouting bills or auto payments that were tied to joint accounts. We helped a client who waited too long to separate finances, and their ex continued using a shared credit card. We helped them close accounts, pull statements for the divorce disclosures, and make sure the debts were fairly divided moving forward. At Divorce 661, we guide clients through this process step by step. We'll help you create a list of all shared accounts and obligations and include clear language in your divorce agreement to ensure everything is handled properly, like refinance deadlines, account transfers, and debt responsibility. Also, don't forget to update beneficiaries, insurance policies, and retirement plans. These often get overlooked and can cause major issues down the line. If you're ready to make a clean financial break and want help setting it all up legally and efficiently, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you stay organized, avoid mistakes, and transition with confidence.